Harlem didn't crown kings, but it listened to Bumpy Johnson. Ellsworth Raymond Johnson ruled through silence and certainty. Conversations stopped when he arrived. Power followed him not through fear alone, but absolute reputation. Born in 1905 in South Carolina, Bumpy Johnson grew up amid racial violence and rigid control. When his brother fled north after killing a man, Harlem became Bumpy's proving ground. Harlem taught lessons quickly. Numbers, gambling, police corruption, street codes, everything had rules. Bumpy watched before acting, learning who controlled money, who enforced it, and who survived longest. Stephanie St. Clair ruled Harlem's numbers empire with intelligence and discipline. She recognized Bumpy immediately. He wasn't loud muscle. He was observant, controlled, dependable. Under her guidance, he learned organized power. Bumpy enforced Stephanie's system with restraint. Violence came only when necessary. Most conflicts ended through pressure, leverage, and reputation. Harlem learned that resistance brought consequences and silence brought survival. By the early 1930s, Bumpy's reputation traveled faster than his footsteps. He didn't threaten. He didn't explain. People adjusted automatically because everyone knew exactly what ignoring him would cost. As Stephanie's power declined through legal pressure, Bumpy stepped forward naturally. There was no takeover-only continuity. Harlem accepted him because order remained intact. Business stayed smooth. Violence stayed controlled. Bumpy formed a strategic relationship with Lucky Luciano. Harlem remained black-controlled, protected through mutual respect. It wasn't friendship, it was balance. Bumpy ensured Harlem negotiated with power, not submission. Bumpy protected Harlem's residents. He paid rents, funded funerals, helped families survive. He demanded loyalty, but returned protection. To many, he wasn't just a criminal, he was stability in chaos. Arrests came often. Prison never broke Bumpy's authority. Inside, he read Shakespeare and wrote poetry. Outside, his name still commanded respect. Even incarcerated, Harlem waited for his return.